Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix we can't tell if your PC has enough space on your Windows 11 setup while installing your Windows 11 on your desktop or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing this error, we can't tell if your PC has enough space while installing your Windows 11, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Before going to the steps, I want to say one thing, that it requires minimum 64 GB of your hard drive. At least it should be free space of 64 GB. If there is no 64 GB space available on your hard drive, so you can do the steps. By this you will free up some of the disk space on your hard drive. The first step is you just need to type here disk cleanup. You can see here disk cleanup, click on this. Select the drive in which your Windows operating system has been installed. Click on OK. Here you can select all of this. By default it is selected. Then click on OK. Then click on delete files. After completion of this, again you have to type disk cleanup. Just click on this search menu, then type here disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup. Click on OK again. Now you have to click on clean up system files. Click on OK. Now you can read this one by one and just check mark all these options, then click on OK. You can see the amount of disk space you gain. In my case, there is not much MB to clean. You can check in your PC whether it is emptying maximum MBs. Just select all this option, then click OK. Then click on delete files. It will take up time. If there is deleting maximum temporary files, it will take more time, so you have to wait it patiently. After completion of this, you can try the third option. Click on start menu, then type here programs. You can see here add or remove program. Click on this. Here you can find all your installed programs. You can see here sort by. You can select as size. Whichever app is using more MB, it comes in first. You can just select and uninstall it. If you are not using that app, you can uninstall it. You can see here Microsoft Teams. It's taking around 2.1 GB, so you can just click on this, then click on uninstall. Like this you can see other apps also. Whichever your app is not using, you can just click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. After completion of this, just restart and try it again. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix can't tell if your PC has enough space while installing your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.